The first ingredient you will need is flour. I am using about 8 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Next, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of allspice. Next, I am adding 1/8 teaspoon of cloves. Now I am adding 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder. Now I am adding 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now I am adding about a little teeny tiny bit of salt, and then we're going to mix it together. Don't add too much salt, just like a pinch of salt in there. Mix it really good. If you want, you can even sift this. Because this is a quick recipe, I didn't even bother to sift it, but you can go right ahead and do it. Now I am going to add 10 tablespoons of buttered milk. You can use regular milk, but I am using buttermilk. Now I am going to add oil. I am using 4 tablespoons of oil and about 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it all together. Do not add any water. Do not add any more milk. Just stir it together until all the ingredients are well combined. Just give it a quick shake. And now we're going to microwave it for 4 minutes. Only 4 minutes, okay? Once it's done, just take a little stick or skewer, just poke it in there. If it comes out clean, then your cake is ready. Now for me, because I wanted to, be a little extra, I am making a little bit of icing for it. I am basically using powdered sugar. There's no real measurement to it, just powdered sugar and some milk until it's nice and thick, not too runny. And you can let your cake sit because this is a quick snack for me. I am going to pour it right on there. Make sure your icing is nice and thick. And just going to spread it out with a spoon and you shall be done. Literally, this will take you, I'll say 5 minutes to make. Literally. And it was so moist. The more oil you add, the moistest it will be. It's so moist and it tastes really good, you guys. Hopefully this was helpful. If you're craving a late night snack, you can go make this. You can use chocolate if you want. You don't have to use allspice. You can use just chocolate if you want. This is it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if it was helpful. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Bye.